Hey everyone, this is Kevin T. Rodriguez, film critic of ViCritic.net. Welcome to our media channel, and we are doing another unboxing video, this time for a Best Buy exclusive Steelbook for Black Panther Wakanda Forever. And I have to say, this is one of the nicest Steelbooks that I have seen. Now, as you can see in the ad up here, there are actually two Steelbooks that you could collect, and when you put them side by side, they look together. This one was already sold out. This one was not. I am not sure why. Maybe people like the villain more than they like the new Black Panther. I don't know. I actually like, just even looking at the pictures here, I like the colors in this one better. I'm a big fan of purple. I like this dynamic look on the new Black Panther, and of course Angela Bassett is looking great. So I really like this one. But let's kind of take a look and see what it looks like, because this is a Best Buy exclusive, and even though you know, you might be able to find it now by the time you watch this, I don't know if you're going to be able to get it so much. So here's what the back looks like, and it's kind of interesting because in all of the previews leading up to this movie, they kind of hid the fact that she was going to become the Black Panther, but here they are pushing it forward front and center that she's going to be the new Black Panther. Well, maybe not front and center, back and center, because they don't really advertise this. Let's see if they're still advertising it when we open this thing. I'm kind of curious to see what the back of this case looks like. So, alright, so this is the back of the case, and when you open it like this, yeah, that's a really nice picture. It will also give me an opportunity to take away the digital copy, which doubles as Disney movie points. Alright, so let's see what inside looks like. Okay, so again, now it's front and center that there's going to be a new Black Panther on the 4K disc. And on the Blu-ray disc, they show the new villain, or the new antagonist, I should say. Shouldn't have clipped my nails before I did this. Wow, this is really stuck in there. Wow. I'm kind of, hold on one second, folks. Okay. There we go. So this is what it looks like inside. Nothing too special, I have to admit. So, but, I guess it works. And what's interesting is when you put them in the right side up, it looks like he's towering over her. I don't know if that was intentional or not. I mean, I really like that picture, but I just think that they should have kept that a little secret. But anyway, this is the Best Buy Steelbook exclusive edition of Black Panther Wakanda Forever, or at least one of them. And I have to say, this is one of the nicest looking Steelbooks I have seen. So does it tell you who did the artwork on here? No, it does not. But yeah, it's this is really nice. So anyway, I'm curious, do any of you have this edition? What do you think of it? I'd love to know. Comment below. Like, favorite, share, subscribe, and as always, flame responsibly. Have a good one.